In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a dispute on Dhgate 2025 step by step. If you ordered something on Dhgate and something went wrong, opening a dispute the right way protects your money and speeds up a resolution. Start by logging in and heading to My Orders. Open the specific order you're concerned about and look for the buyer protection remaining days. This is the countdown that shows how long you have to act. If it's close to expiring, don't wait. Open a dispute immediately so your claim is protected. Before you file, decide the refund path that fits your situation. Refund only is the default for most cases. Choose this if your item arrived damaged, wasn't as described, the wrong item was sent, or the package never arrived at all. Return and refund should be used only when the seller asks you to send the product back and Dhgate approves that return. If those two conditions aren't in place, stick with refund only, which is simpler and faster for most buyers. Now open the dispute. Go back to My Orders, select the order, and click Open Dispute. Pick refund only or return and refund based on what we just covered. Select the reason that matches your issue. Then upload clear photos or videos, show the problem in good lighting, include packaging, labels, and the full item, and if it's about non-arrival, add any tracking screenshots you have. Submit the dispute to officially start your refund request. After you submit, keep all communication inside Dhgate. The seller may respond with a partial refund, a replacement, or a full refund. Negotiate only through the Dhgate chat so everything is recorded. Do not close the dispute until the money is back in your account or wallet, because closing it ends your protection and makes it much harder to reopen the case. If you and the seller can't agree, ask Dhgate to step in by selecting Request Dhgate Mediation. The platform will review your evidence, tracking information, and the message history, then make a final decision. This review typically takes about 3 to 7 business days. Reply promptly to any requests from Dhgate and keep your messages brief and factual to help the process move quickly. Once a refund is approved, you'll see the status change to refund processing. Funds return either to your original payment method or to your Dhgate wallet, depending on what you used. Card refunds usually take 5 to 15 business days, while refunds to the wallet are often faster. Keep an eye on your order details and your payment account to confirm when the funds arrive. That's the full process to open a dispute on Dhgate with confidence.